We had lots and lots and lots of rain today. As you can see, part of my garden has a lot of weeds and a lot of water. This is a trial and error thing, what to do and how to correct your mistakes. I'm gonna need to bring dirt in because this bed was just too low. But as far as the 5-gallon buckets go, there's the collard greens. Look at those, just look at those. You find those in the store and you pay good money for those. And here they are, just growing. Just growing. Yep, look at those cabbage butterflies trying to lay eggs. Now there are the ghost peppers. You can see those things are just dying. This is way too much water. But as far as the 5-gallon buckets, they're doing good. Quite good, actually. I haven't seen any tomato worms yet. It's inevitable, they'll be there. But so far, I wasn't able to do this crop walk at all yesterday because I worked so much and it was late. I wasn't feeling good either. These are all weeds growing around my 5 gallons, but not in my 5 gallons. Thank God it rained. Pepper plants, planted with a tomato plant. Now, next time I do this, I'm going to do more soil in the buckets, and I'm going to put more things into them to keep moisture in. There's my grape tomatoes, and I got some ripe ones going here. Gotta pick those in a couple days. Yeah, look at that. And got some clover growing over here. Just weeds, not anything I planted. But we'll get there. I was hoping to be able to weed today, but it just rained and rained and rained all day. Look at that, more strawberries. You have to get them before they rot, and they're rotting down there. Look at all these things to root and climb. It's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And you can probably hear the neighbors that are next door. I'm looking forward to moving into the country. Detroit's been fun, but when you get neighbors that are nice, but they're noisy and they use the house as a party house and nothing they're invested in. Look at that, onions. It just kind of makes you want to move away. There's the potatoes, they're doing pretty good. And there's another tomato plant there. We've decided we're going to go ahead and move in the country. Not sure exactly when, but we're going to document the whole thing. The whole thing, look at that. Just growing good. Everything doing really good. And this is not doing so good here. But we'll figure this out. We'll figure it out. Trial by error, right? Figure out what works and what does not work. And then we just go from there. Look at this eggplant right there. Isn't that something? Yep. And remember we had problems with that fire, trying to kill off the weeds and how it burns some of the leaves. Trial and error. I had to hurry up and move the buckets away. I mean, I did kill the weeds, but there was a price for that, so I wasn't too pleased with that, but that was my mistake. And then look at these. So, you gotta harvest. You definitely have to harvest. Now, look at all that. So, looking for the potato bug sooner or later. Not yet. Now, this here is a weed. Get rid of that. So, we're doing a lot of drying here in the next few days. Going to be talking about the soils and what was the best ones to use that we found out so far. And we'll go from there. So far, people, 5-gallon buckets has been much better than the garden. Much better. And growing a whole lot faster. So, yeah, you can hear the party house going off. So, but yeah, it's been pretty good here. Okay, that's it for now.